everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the different stages of growth in human life.
Can you list out the different stages of growth? The different stages of growth in human beings are zygote, embryo, fetus, infancy, childhood, adolescence, and old age. It is like 7 colors in the rainbow. The 7 stages in our life.
Many poets have described about the different stages of growth in human life. If interested, I'll pin 2 or 3 poems in the end of this video. You can read that and enjoy.
Zygote begins as a single cell but divides repeatedly and eventually becomes an embryo. An embryo is the early stage of embryonic development in multicellular organism, which after some weeks will be referred as fetus. A fetus is characterized by presence of all the major body organs, though they will not yet be fully developed and functional, and some not yet situated in their position. The next stage of growth is known as infancy. It is a stage of growth between birth and acquisition of language. Childhood is a period of human life span between infancy and adolescence. Adolescence is the period of peculiarities in the growth of human beings. Adolescence period is between 10 years to 19 years of age. This is a period from the onset of puberty to the completion of physical growth. Along with rapid physical changes, intense mental and emotional changes makes adolescence a significant period in one's life. The growth of an individual is completed by the beginning of 20s. The body does not grow thereafter. Then the person proceeds to the next stage of old age. However, it takes a few more years for a person to show the signs of old age. Old age is an inevitability of life. Changes quite different from other stages occur in old age. Let us see what are the physical peculiarities of old age. Rate of cell division decreases. Availability of oxygen to the cells decreases. Deterioration of cells increases. Muscles shrinks. Production of energy decreases. Efficiency of sense organ decreases. I repeat once again, rate of cell division decreases, availability of oxygen to the cells decreases, deterioration of cells increases, muscles shrink, production of energy decreases, and efficiency of sense organ decreases. Do you help your elders in this way? How should we behave to the elders? What should be our attitude towards them? The attitude towards the elders should be spend your precious time with them. and listen them intently as their words comes from their experience. You can learn from them a lot because they experience a lot. Be polite. Love them, care them, help them, and try to eat food together with the elders. Remember, one day we will also become old. Hope you understood that there are different stages in human life. Growth in other organisms includes some biological specialities only. But the growth of mankind is a combination of social and cultural peculiarities.